Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the wait command. It's a command that allows you to wait for a process running in the background to finish before you move on to the next command. And here's a very simple example of how it works. If you run a sleep process in the background like this, and then you wait on %1, which is the job ID. You see, we have to wait for the sleep process to finish before we go anywhere else. So it's finished. There you go. There's our prompt again, and that's done. Now, you can do the same kind of thing in a script when you want to wait for a process to complete before you move to the next step. So say you want to produce some kind of report, and then you want to use it in the rest of your script. You might start your script like this. And here we started the report. We grabbed the process ID, and $! is the process ID of the most recently backgrounded process. And then we wait for that. And after that, we'd have the lines that process the data from the report. Now, if you use wait with a -n instead of a process or job ID, it will wait for the first of any number of backgrounded processes to complete. So let's say we look at this one, wait for me. Here we start 3 sleep processes in the background, one for 12, one for 8, one for 6 seconds, and then we do the wait with a -n, and once this sleep 6 finishes, even though it started third, it's going to finish first. We'll see this first job is completed. And then when the sleep 8 finishes, we'll see the next job has completed. Well, that is your Linux tip for the wait command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.